Welcome back, guys. So we are going to remove the bottom trim here along the door and try to salvage this, and hopefully we'll be able to tape it up good and then put it away for storage here. It's in my way while I'm welding on this side of the car, and I just don't want to damage it. These are very hard to find and very hard to come by. So anyhow, I'm gonna get started. So there we have it. We have the trim off of the driver's side bottom of the car. This is going to go into storage now. This way I don't damage it anymore or rub against it while I'm trying to weld the bottom floors on the driver's side right now, which is what I'm currently working on off camera right now. I'm trying to get that done for this year at least and try to wrap it up. So anyhow, stick with me and hopefully we can get this thing out for a drive one day.